Good day everybody. Okay, so here we are, Cindy and Graham, and we're just lounging in our van on the bed, and we've got something to say. Okay, so we're going to be leaving here soon, and we're very happy with this place. It is awesome. We had a lovely month here.
So Clarens has a few little streets that have shops and that on, overlooking a park, and a few down here and there. It's a tiny place, but very busy with tourists. Arty place, extremely arty. They have art festivals, beer festivals.
Now here we have Paul Murray at work in his studio, come art gallery. Hi Paul.
Hi.
So you can see just with the working off, you can feel here, especially feel it there, compared to the inside there, for instance. So now that it's leather hard.
En waar moet ek nog na?
Ek dink hy's baie mooi. Ek dink jy moet hom net optel en onder kyk, because obviously we put it down to dry, so see. So you don't.
Okay, so we've decided we've had enough of the van, and we're going to buy this bus so that we can make it our new camper van. What do people think? Will it work? Stop.
So this is Paul Murray's studio and gallery, and this is his work. Stunning work. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Stunning. That in your lounge would look beautiful. And the zebra. And there's lots more to choose from. All these gorgeous animal heads that are designed like paper mache. Yeah, so please visit. So you can ask what artists these are. If you see this work, I'll leave Paul's link at the bottom.
So here we have a guest house, actually, and pottery. You come here and you sit and have coffee, and you choose your pottery you want to paint. It's gorgeous. Hello. Nice surroundings, like the garden. And then you come and sit here and you do your pottery. And there's a lovely chair and comfy lounge suite that you can sit on. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love it. And then this is the pottery and leather. They have leather here as well. So you come and you do your pottery. Leather earrings. Yeah. And you can choose what pottery you want to do and paint it, and then they send it to you. Pick your paint. Okay, leather goods. Leather goods, and then the belts, leather belts, handmade leather belts. You must come visit. Leather bags, beautiful leather bags, and more pottery. And it's called the Clarens Workshop.
Got a lifted wheel for you, and it's easier.
Do you get to paint it and everything, or does it stay that color?
This is going to turn black.
Oh, they turn black.
Yeah, this is the second project is white, and then she can paint it or glaze it.
Oh wow.
Los daar en daar, want dit maak hom mooi Then you don't have to go down as much.
Okay, stunning.
Yeah, see? Then it's easier. Because you're quite a tall specimen. Tall glass of water, this one.
Oh, that's stunning. Oh, thanks for giving me a show of what you actually do here.
Yeah.
And I hope people come visit. And yeah, well, I'm sure they do. Clarens is the place.
Yeah, we're very, very thankful.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the
Thanks,
ceramic.
guys.
What's your name?
I'm Cassandra.
And your name?
I'm Suzanne.
Suzanne. Okay, nice meeting you.
Same, guys.
Okay.
Thank you for the visit.
Okay.
Enjoy.
I will do. Thank
you so much, and we'll look out for it on
Okay.
YouTube. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
This is one of the other shops. Oh, beautiful smelling.
Nice, huh?
Oh, absolutely divine.
Yeah, I was following a couple.
All candles.
What they were called though, and it's amazing.
Beautiful.
And don't give up the house.
Stunning.
People out in the farm.
Yeah.
They plan to go and stuff
So, I mean, if you could smell through the camera, it is divine. And you get the little essential oils as well. There's all the candles. Oh, it's divine. And you get the little salt.
Really?
Wow. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Beautiful.
More of Paul Murray's amazing work in his studio come art gallery.
I'll see that too.
So here's Paul busy with painting again. This is oils, eh, Paul?
Yeah.
I love his work. And what I like about Paul, he's also self-taught, just like me, which I relate to, because all other artists that have studied, I've been pulled down by some people. And this is quite fantastic. I think because you're self-taught, that I'm talking about myself, that you don't know everything, you know?
Anything.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
What did you see? I really like this.
Beautiful.
And it's amazing that it's upside down.
Yeah.
For that.
And I've heard of upside down.
That you can see the
Yes.
points that you need to enhance.
I've never done an upside down, but I've heard of it.
I'll turn around the right
Yeah, yeah.
way,
Okay.
just so I can get these very
Yes,
fine
yes.
kind of points where they start.
Yeah. So you don't have to brush up, you just brush down.
Yeah.
Amazing. And I like seeing people in action as well. You know, you can just photograph a gallery and, you know,
And think, how do they do it?
yeah, but it's good to see someone at work. Because I can relate. So this is now the line the right way up. Stunning. Oh wow, thanks Paul, because we're leaving Clarens soon.
So this is the sandstone, and they're busy building here. At the back you can see the building that they're building on. As they're building the place, you can see how they're building up there. Lots of building, guys, busy here.
So you can see just with the working off, you can feel here, especially feel it there compared to the inside there, for instance. So now that it's leather hard, and the more water you add to it, the more the little pebbles will come.
Okay, so this is a workshop.
Just check the lines there, and then just double check, because you can see there's a part that you put in. And do you feel the roughness of it?
Yeah.
The more you work it, the more the...
So we found this dead butterfly when we stopped on the side of the road with its wings out like this. It was beautiful. It's from the area.
And if you're ever in the area near Clarens, 17 k's out towards Friesburg, you'll find a little place called Stoppenblij, and that's where we are. So yeah, rates are good, service is lovely, ablutions are fantastic. You'll love it here. So what else do we need to tell?
I may have a commission coming, which will be fantastic.
Ah, yes, I remember
because
now.
then I can do art on the road. So we're just waiting for that.
I know, that'll be nice.
And I know Graham loves that, going close. But yeah, so the next place we're going to stay is big enough for me to get art supplies.
Materials.
Yeah. So that's maybe on the radar for the next thing. And yeah, but we live in a stunning place. Our views every day are beautiful.
I think we're going to miss that. We miss that big time.
Yeah. Anyway, should we say goodbye again?
Okay. Alright, so now we're going to say goodbye until our next video. So, go well people. Remember to subscribe. It helps us awesomely. And like, share, comment. We'd like to see comments, people. We feel like we're on an island sometimes. Have a good time. We'll see you later. Bye.